Artificial intelligent assistants like ChatGPT are revolutionizing the future and enhancing our daily lives with personalized assistance. But did you know that assistant applications are still not capable of confirming your identity inside a chat session? Are you wondering what it takes to build your next multilingual smart AI assistant application? Look no further. Controlled GPT is our feature machine offer in Azure Market Place that will allow you to instantly provision and configure a smart AI assistant application in your Azure subscription. Controlled GPT comes bundled with a static front end, a feature-rich middleware component and a token server. While the token server is responsible for the authentication and the authorization aspects, the middleware that's at the heart of Controlled GPT provides the capability to integrate with multiple instances of Azure Open AI, and rotates the user request to any of the Open AI instances. The middleware is also responsible for prompt chaining, handling multilingual search capability, as well as calling external APIs. The static front-end bundles an Authentication Assistant, provided by HexaEight Platform, and is responsible for handling the user authentication. In addition to this, the front end also maintains the user context during chat interactions with AI assistants. Every Controlled GPT instance deploys robust security, including application layer encryption as part of the solution. Controlled GPT instances are licensed based on the number of allocated CPUs. Let's now watch the demo of Controlled GPT. I am now visiting the Controlled GPT demo page. You can now see the application is loading. Remember, this is a static front-end application and it has the capability to handle authentication for any number of users without any limitations. Isn't that cool? I now see that it has loaded up the AI languages and I guess the front end is ready to talk to me. If I see the left pane, it tells me that the Authentication Assistant is currently active. I am going to press the mic button and talk.
Hello there.
Hello. How can I assist you today?
As you can see, I was able to interact with the front end, using my mic and get a response. Let's now change the language, and ask a question. For this demo purposes, I am going to choose German. Let us see if I get a response in German.
Was sind Ihre Fähigkeiten?
Ich freue mich über Ihr Engagement. Lassen Sie uns zunächst unseren Fokus auf den Abschluss des sicheren Authentifizierungsprozesses in dieser Anwendung richten. Ich bin HexaEight.
As you can see, I got a response now in German. Remember, I am still interacting with HexaEight's Authentication Assistant. Let's now focus on the authentication. The front-end application follows a unique authentication process by integrating with the Authentication Assistant on HexaEight Platform. You will notice that the front end has a separate user engagement area that will only accept the email address of the user in the form of username and domain name. It does not ask you to enter your password, rather it tells you to scan a QR code using HexaEight Authenticator mobile application. This unique authentication feature offers the greatest security to the front-end application. You will notice that the QR code can be scanned only using the password-protected digital token that was generated for your email address, using HexaEight Authenticator mobile application. There is a separate video tutorial where I have explained how to create your first digital token. I recommend you watch it, if not done already. You can already see that I have begun the authentication process. I have entered my username and domain name in the user engagement area. I can now see a QR code that is visible in the user engagement area that I need to scan using my email digital token. I have launched my HexaEight Authenticator mobile application and opened the vault belonging to my email address, tapped on the vault image, set my password, and I am now ready to scan the QR code. Once I scan the QR code, I am prompted with a question if I should proceed to authorize the assistant application. I tap yes, and you can see the mobile application is now processing my request. Remember, the password that you enter in your vault is not stored on your mobile. If you do misplace your mobile, you do not need to worry, since no one else can use your mobile to log into HexaEight protected applications without knowing the password. Once the QR code is scanned, you have a second level of protection offered by means of a two-factor code. This security code will only be visible when you scan it using the same password-protected digital token. Upon entering the correct one-time code, in the front end, the Authentication Assistant will grant you access to the application, thus allow you to interact seamlessly with the Controlled GPT instance. Remember, current authentication techniques will become obsolete sooner or later, as you start building more and more assistants. By incorporating HexaEight's authentication process that offers application layer encryption, all components of Controlled GPT ensure that they communicate securely, thus providing a robust protection at every layer. This concludes the demo of the authentication process. Now we will showcase some unique capabilities available in Controlled GPT. Now, let me show a quick demonstration on the function calling capabilities of Controlled GPT through the prompt chaining technique. As you can see, I have asked for the current weather in Dedham. Behind the scenes, GPT middleware invokes an API to weatherapi.com, fetches the current weather, and provides me with an update. Remember, the API code running behind the scenes is the code already reviewed and approved for your business. This ensures Controlled GPT always provides correct responses when prompted with a weather question all the time.
The forecast for the next 24 hours includes partly cloudy conditions, clear skies, and patchy rain nearby. The temperature ranges from 7.1 degrees Celsius to 10.4 degrees Celsius during this period.
Here is another demo of function API in Controlled GPT. I have now asked the assistant to fetch me the latest news. Behind the scenes, Controlled GPT runs my approved code, pulls the news from BBC News feed, and gives me the latest news. Here is a quick demonstration on the knowledge base search capability. This instance of Controlled GPT has some knowledge base added to it using India's national language, Hindi. As such, you can see when I asked for a yoga posture, called Cobra Pose, it searched the knowledge base in Hindi, and provided me with an appropriate answer, in English. In fact, you can ask a similar question, in any language of your choice, and you will get an appropriate answer. Amazing, right?
The Cobra pose, also known as Bhujangasana, is a backbend pose that is commonly practiced in yoga. It involves lying on the stomach and lifting the chest off the ground while keeping the lower body grounded.
Before I wrap up, here are some of the reasons why you should try Controlled GPT. Controlled GPT instances are charged hourly, and Controlled GPT will work even on a standard B1 machine with 1 CPU and 2 GB RAM. Controlled GPT does not require any GPUs, nor does it internally use vector databases. This concludes the demonstration on Controlled GPT. You can also log into the demo instance of Controlled GPT by using your email address. If you are looking for customization of the front-end interface, or the middleware to suit your business, please reach out to HexaEight Premium support team who can assist you based on your requirements. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.